Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin Yang here. This is a video and a demonstration of the progress that I have made in creating YouTube videos. Believe it or not, creating YouTube videos is extremely difficult and it takes a lot of work. There's a lot of things going on in the background to make the content that you enjoy. So stay tuned, stick around, and as with all things in life. Big YouTubers made this a habit, okay? And make no mistake that YouTube is a job. It is a taxing job because there is no boss to tell you what the consequences of your actions are. So it's all on you. You can be a lazy person or you can burn yourself out. Firstly, you have to write the script and know what you're going to say. Then it finally comes down to shooting the video and making sure it visually looks appealing. Uh, Now comes the part that I hate the least, which is the editing. And that takes hours and even multiple days to make a video entertaining and, most importantly, concise. To wrap it up, there's a lot more subtle things going on behind the camera, such as the way that you talk, having hand motions, showing positivity, and staring at the camera, and talking to you as if I'm your friend, right? And um, it takes a lot of practice and work to get this right. It takes like an immaculate amount of skill to be a great person on camera. Um, Also, developing a positive community is extremely important so that people can come back to my channel and feel a connection. This has been extremely difficult for me because of my actual mental health. I overthink things to the point that I'm experiencing uh, mental degradation and atrophy. As in, I think so much that I tend to forget things immediately after I think of it. So make it a habit. So let's sum it up here. Sum it up right here. Let's see what we need to make a good YouTube video. Number one, have clear structure and purpose. Number two, be positive, clear, and have an energetic tone. Number three, look at the camera. Number four, talk in a clear voice and have fun. Number five, clear video editing and making sure that the video quality is top notch and the sound quality is top notch. Number six, it has to be visually appealing because this is a visual platform as well as a audio platform. And number seven, be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, that recaps everything that I have to say. I hope this video was short, concise, and sweet. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below what you think of this video and how much work it actually takes to make a good YouTube video. Thanks, guys.